Hey, what's up guys, I'm aakanshchaturvedi and in this video we're going to unbox India Book of Records Achievers Kit. I will tell you how did I get one and at the end we will see is it worth to buy it or not. So let's start. I was already looking for record-breaking miniature sculptures made by artists. I ended up landing on the website of India Book of Records. I found some of the titles on the website which I do not think are quite appropriate for a record book. For example, balloon dress fashion show, mud lamps lit by most people, theme-based Bollywood dance. How can this be a record? So I decided to apply for it with one of my sculpture, this one. This is the statue of Shri Dunivaridadaji. He is one of the gurus from my town, so I thought of applying with it. Days after submitting the application form, I got an email from that site asking for the evidences, which were video while making the statue, photographs, measurement video of the statue, 2 letters from 2 gazetted officers mentioning the details. I collected those documents and I uploaded them on the given link. In general, they asked for 7 days of waiting time, but I got the confirmation mail within 3 days. It says, "Congratulations, your claim has been finalized as titled smallest sculpture of Shri Dunivaridadaji on graphite." Till this point, they have not charged me a single rupee. That means yes, you can get a confirmation for free. But what about the certificate? If you want a certificate, you have to buy the Achievers pack. So let's unbox it first. This box has leather finish with a huge logo on it. Keeping these styrofoams aside, starting with this wooden brooch. Not exactly wood, this brooch is made up of hardboard with neatly cut edges, and printing is done over it. You can also see a safety pin is glued behind it. Secondly, this gold medal. It is very shiny and feel very dense. The strap also feel premium and it has a clip and screw mechanism to hold it on its place. I never got my hands on such kind of medal yet. Next we have the Achievers pen. It is very beautifully crafted with gold and black color. The body is almost 50% metal and 50% plastic. It runs in blue and very smooth on paper. It encloses a German refill which can last very long without drying. This is India Book of Records latest edition. It is stuffed with achievements of people. If you like to show off, then this is for you. These are car stickers. All you have to do is peel them off and stick it from inside of your car, and people will know that this car belongs to a record holder. This is record holder's card. It has all the basic information of my record. Lastly, we have this certificate. A lot like usual certificates, but a bit better. I was expecting a hologram sticker or any identification code so that it cannot be forged and remain authentic. The box has these elastic bands to display the stuff inside it. They ask record holders to send their pictures so that they can put it in their next edition. Anyway, I'm putting it back. The standard price of this box is 7,080 rupees. While I was ordering, I called them and asked them for any alternative because I was not interested in the whole kit, I just want the certificate. So they said no, they don't have any other option. Except they can provide a discount if I belong to a certain reserved category. So this was the most disappointing thing for me because if someone cannot afford a kit, he cannot afford a certificate as well. In my opinion, the box is quite overpriced because even though the content of the box is of premium quality, the production cost might not increase more than 3,000. It is not as rare and recognized as Guinness Book of World Record, and if you compare it with Guinness Book of World Record, the application fee for making a new record is $5, that is 390 rupees, And if you're breaking an old record, it is totally free. Certificate is complimentary. But at the end, it depends on you what you can make out from the box. So that was it. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can contact me on Instagram, Facebook, you can email me. The links are in the description below. Also, during this time of serious pandemic, I want you to look on the bright side as well, because Earth is healing and we got ample amount of time to spend with our family and to spend on ourselves. So try something new, try to be creative, watch my other videos and stay safe, stay at your home. That was it. Like if you like, share if you can, and subscribe if you want to see me again. Also click the bell icon.